My name's Eric Fickus. I'm a senior industrial designer. I do a lot of 2D, but I think my interest and my expertise is probably 3D CAD, rendering, animation. So what we have is a concept that we developed in 2D. It's a two-part clamshell Bluetooth speaker. These two halves will slide together. Then you pull them apart and it reveals a speaker on one side and controls on the other. We built the model in SolidWorks and then brought it into KeyShot and then added all the textures. Being able to do the speaker grill as a displacement map was really fast, and we could change the grill on the fly. And it's minutes to do versus hours or days. And we've got a bunch of different concepts that we did. So we have a couple of material textures, and we've got a couple of wood textures. Once we have all the textures and the bump maps and the displacement maps in place, we can save the file out in a format called 3MF, which is new to KeyShot. And this 3MF file format keeps all the wood grain and all the image maps, displacement maps, bump maps. It keeps all of that, and it saves it in a way that's now printable from KeyShot, which is just amazing. And we brought them into GrabCAD Print. I've imported 5 different models with 5 different wood textures. It checks the models. If there's any problems, we can run a repair on it. And then we can hit print, and it will build these parts on the J55. We were able to run this on the J55 machine overnight, and we have real physical parts in a matter of a few hours and have something that was completely convincing. Being able to do that overnight is something just sort of brand new. We had 5 different wood samples, and then we had different fabric samples, and we've never been able to do that before. You know, to rapid prototype a wood texture would have been just a heck of a lot of work, finding vinyl or paint or faux finish or something like that on a physical part versus being able to print this overnight is just a real game changer for us. Just being able to assign these materials in KeyShot and then run the parts overnight was amazing. It's that new and special and different. It's really incredible.